Join me as I take on the challenge of creating the ultimate DIY oil blend to protect my skin during Holi. Today, I'm going to share with you a game-changing DIY oil blend that'll be your Holi skin savior. This magical blend will help you combat dryness, irritation, and those pesky color stains that seem to linger on your skin long after the festivities are over. After celebrating Holi, many of us are left dealing with skin issues like dryness, itchiness, and irritation. Those vibrant colors may look amazing, but they can be super harsh on our skin. And let's be real, who wants to spend the rest of the week looking like a dull, flaky version of themselves? Not me, that's for sure. The colors can also cause skin inflammation, which can lead to breakouts and even scars. And if you have sensitive skin, things can get even worse, with rashes and redness becoming a major concern. The worst part is, these skin problems can be super challenging to tackle. Moisturizers and creams might provide some relief, but they often don't get to the root of the problem. That's why I'm excited to share this DIY oil blend with you, which is specifically designed to provide long-lasting nourishment and protection to your skin. Moving on to the ingredients, I've got some amazing oils that'll work together to create a powerhouse blend. First up, we have coconut oil, which is an incredible moisturizer that'll help lock in hydration and soothe dry, irritated skin. Next, we have olive oil, which is packed with antioxidants that'll help combat skin damage and reduce inflammation. Then there's jojoba oil, which is lightweight and easily absorbed, making it perfect for sensitive skin. And finally, we have argan oil, which is rich in fatty acids and vitamin E, giving it incredible nourishing and regenerative properties. To make this oil blend, you'll need to mix together equal parts of each ingredient. Yes, it's that simple. Just pour the oils into a small bowl, mix them well, and you're good to go. When applying the blend, make sure to focus on areas that are most prone to dryness and irritation, like your face, neck, and hands. Apply a generous amount before heading out to play Holi, and reapply as needed throughout the day. Remember to gently massage the oil into your skin to increase absorption and maximize its benefits. And don't worry if you get a bit of oil on your clothes, it's a small price to pay for gorgeous, healthy-looking skin. One more tip, apply the oil blend to your skin before washing off the colors, as this will help break down the pigments and make them easier to remove. By using this DIY oil blend, you'll be giving your skin the TLC it needs to thrive during the Holi celebrations. And the best part, you'll be saying goodbye to dryness, irritation, and those pesky color stains, and hello to radiant, glowing skin that'll make you feel confident and beautiful. So don't forget to take care of your skin this Holi season. Your skin will thank you, and so will your Instagram followers. Hey, guys, if you have any favorite skincare tips for Holi, please share them with me in the comments below. And if you want to check out more of my skincare videos, be sure to hit that subscribe button and the little bell icon to turn on notifications. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.